Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Marie. I have another pre-mixed mani that I did. You can see this is Incoco. I don't know the name of it. I forgot to write the names on the back of this one. I believe this is Salted Plum. These are, oh my goodness. Oh, Time to Go. And that. So let's get into it. See if I can get this off. No, I think I need to cut it. In fact, I think I'll go this way. There we go. And these are the smallest pinky strips because I have found that I can stretch them a bit. Let's hope these are not all dried out. Oh, I don't think so. I do have on the Nailtiques Formula 2 Plus, which I do link down below in the description box, along with pretty much everything else that I use. Look at tiny. I am going to first off say I am no longer a stylist. It was kind of a bittersweet decision. Yeah. But such a relief. Just don't like the way things are going with Color Street. I love the product, don't get me wrong. I'm going to continue to use it, but now I can or am free to use any nail products that, you know, might even be similar to Color Street, which Incoco is. I mean, that Fa did create Incoco, so. And yes, he requires everyone to call him Mr. Park, but I will not have to, since I am no longer a stylist. I love Salted Plum. I wore this a couple manis ago and could not remember the name of it for the life of me. And then today I do. Funny how that works. I made this mani. I was going to do these first just to make sure that they were good. I forgot. I made this mani a while ago. Oh, no, you didn't. I'm so glad I have two of these. Glad it's not for my thumb. Oh, that was a close one. And I just threw that in there. I guess this side doesn't matter if I... Oh my gosh, I love this. I wish I knew the name of this set. So pretty. I love the blue flowers in it. So if you're in my VIP group, I will be going live on Tuesday to tell you what I'm going to be doing. So if you're not in there and you would like to be, I'm going to keep my VIP group. However, I am going to be changing the name of it, so I will let you know then. I just love this. I wish I knew. I've got to do some research and find out what set this is in Incoco. If you know what it is, let me know. Just love that. Okay, be very gentle here. This one's better. Sure, get it down there. Good. We have rain, which I don't mind the rain. I mean, I live in the evergreen state that is known for rain. But we're going to be having rain for like many days. Which we do need it. It's so gorgeous. Talk about dry skin. Yeah, okay, that was all I had left of this. And I got them from like a mixed mani from someone, and I didn't even think to save the deal that said what they were. Oh gosh, not even. Okay. Does not really want to stretch. I am only doing single layers. I think this one will fit. That I ripped it. So today is Sunday. I think it's the 24th of March. I think, yeah, 24th. Not go anywhere. Which I don't. Oh my gosh, I love this mani. I am really into doing the mixed manis now. They're so fun. I have a little container with all my mixed manis in it, and I was trying to decide what one to put on and realized that I did several like for the fall, so hopefully they last until fall and I can put them on then. I need more salted plum. Actually, I think I have some coming. It's really a pretty one. What's that? Wow, I'm impressed with how good they look together. I always feel like I don't mix, colors real well, but I did this to try to bring out the little bits of light blue and the green in there, and it's really super pretty. And yes, these are all from partials, trying to use up my partials, so I don't have so many. I have so many. There's a lot of people that sell them, but I'm just afraid, like, what if I sell them and they're dried out or something? I mean, it's very rare that I have them dried out, but It would be my luck that I'd sell them and they'd all be dried out or something. I would feel horrible then. Wow, I love it. Hope you can't hear the dryer going. Sounds like there's shoes in there. It's just the dryer though. I mean, there's no shoes in there. That's what I mean to say. Hear American Idol on out there. There was a 14-year-old girl, excuse me, from Venezuela, but she lives in Miami or something. Oh, her voice was pretty good. It was so good, but I can't believe she was 14. She looked a bit older. What is going on with the kids nowadays? They're just like growing up so fast, maturing so quickly. It's weird to me. She was very, very tall too, I thought. But then I think everybody's tall because I'm very short. So if you want to get into making, you know, your own mixed mayonnaise, it's super fun. If you don't know what to put them on, I use, these are sticky notes. They're ramen sticky notes. But anyway, just fold it and then I just set them on here as I make them. And they stick really good, and then I slip them in those envelopes. So let me know, because I don't have that envelope in my description box down below. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Ciao.